Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Dairy Queen and I'm going to be trying their burgers for the first time. I've never had their burgers, but I personally love Dairy Queen because I've had their chicken fingers and they're really good. Okay, so let's get a bite of this burger. I think it has pretty much everything that a burger has: tomatoes, onion, pickles, and ketchup, but it has two different kind of cheeses. It has white cheese and yellow cheese. So let's take a bite. I want to take the pickles out because I don't like pickles in. Yeah, let's see. Delicious, guys. Get one more bite. I'm gonna dip into my buffalo sauce. I would say 10 out of 10. I also got some onion rings. It's so crunchy. So good. So Thanksgiving just passed. This is Sunday. I mean, today is Sunday. I spent Thanksgiving with my family, my mom's side of the family. They all came to my mom's house. I think it was the first Thanksgiving that like everyone gets together. Normally it's just my mom and my two sisters and my brothers. But it was fun. This is a cheese curd. I've had these before, but they weren't good. I'm trying them again, but they're really good. I would say a 10 out of 10. Sorry guys, there's like a bunch of cars in front of me. There's like a big old line and I'm literally trying to hide. I see them staring at me. And I'm staring at them. So on Tuesday, it's my dad's birthday. We're gonna celebrate something small. We're gonna do something small. Like I think we're gonna do birria. And oh, by the way, speaking of that, I need to go buy their presents. It's my brother-in-law's and my dad's birthday. They are exactly 20 years apart. This burger is so good. Everyone always tells me, try the burger, try the burger. I'm like, no. I don't like trying new things. Weird. Because I do YouTube, I do YouTube videos and I'm trying new things. ¿A quién se le antojó? Everything is so good right now. So did y'all go Black Friday shopping? I didn't. I never do. Like, there's nothing ever that I want. Like, I'm not patient. Like, if I want something, I usually get it immediately. I'm never like, oh, let me wait till Black Friday for it to drop. And the only thing that I did buy was my baby's car seat. Like the one they use after their infants. I got the Even Flow rotational 360 or something like that. Normally they're $400, but I got it for $350, which I only saved $50, but $50 is $50. So an update on Desiree, she got a job, guys. Remember me asking y'all or telling y'all that if you guys knew someone that was hiring? She finally got a job. Hopefully she does a video with me pretty soon, so she can update you guys and me, because I haven't seen her. I mean, I saw her on Thanksgiving, but we didn't really talk about her job. For those that have subscribed, thank you so much. It means a lot. Oh, and let's try those chicken tenders. I already tried these before, and they're always so good. Still good. I think Culver's are better, but the hot sauce is way better at Dairy Queen. So we have 3 birthdays left to celebrate, and then it's Christmas. Well, then we celebrate Christmas. It's my dad, my brother-in-law, and then my sister, the oldest one. And then it's Christmas, and then it's my baby's birthday. He was born December 31st. The last day of the year last year. Cool, right? Cool, but not cool. Cool because it's the last day of the year, and not cool because you can't really celebrate that big. I mean, you can, but it's New Year's also. They're so big. Honestly, I'm getting full. I think there's a Dairy Queen everywhere, right? Where's my receipt? I was gonna tell you that. So what I got was a chicken strip kids meal, and then I got the cheeseburger deluxe, which is double, and yeah, that's what it was. A number 1. I got cheese curds, onion rings, and I paid $22. It was good. Everything's so good. No cheese spoon. Y'all want to know something? I've never had a hot dog before. Never. Like, remembering growing up, I've never had a hot dog. Weird, right? It's just the sausage. Ew. It looks nasty. And like a corn dog. The corn dogs are the ones that have the bread like around it, right? I had those in school, but only the outside, like the bread. I see all these mukbangs and food reviews, and they look so good, but I just can't. Like the chili hot dogs, they look delicious. Alright guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this video because I'm enjoying my food. So I'm done with my burger. It was so good. 2 weeks ago, I went to Taco Mac. They built one close to where I live. I went with one of my friends. This friend that I had since I was literally in elementary school. That was the first time me trying it. It was so good. I really like the ranch. I didn't record it because I was obviously with a friend and I ate inside the restaurant. I'm getting sleepy. I think that I'm gonna go to Target right now because I need to return. I got a tree skirt for my tree and I don't really like it, so I'm gonna go return it. I'm full. It was good, guys. Everything was 10 out of 10. The fries were a little bit cold, but they're good. Guys, so that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.